श्री मनोज कुमार झा जी।
शुक्रिया उपसभापति महोदय, धन्यवाद आपका। मैं बड़े गौर से सुन रहा था, जब आया थोड़ी विलम्ब से मैं थोड़ा आया तो मैं सुरेश प्रभु जी को सुन रहा था, तो एकाएक याद आया किसी फ़र्द मोहब्बत से उम्मीद क्या रखना, मोहब्बत बेवफा थी, बेवफा है, बेवफा रहेगी। साहब ऐसा है कि ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, भारत का किसान कह रहा, ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, असंगठित क्षेत्र के मजदूर कह रहे हैं, ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, एयर इंडिया और बीपीसीएल के एम्प्लॉयज़ कह रहे हैं आपसे। तो मैं उनकी तरफ से एक शेर के माध्यम से आग्रह किया, माननीय फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहिबा वो ट्रांसलेशन समझ लेंगी या मैं ट्रांसलेशन भेज दूंगा इस पर्टिकुलर शेर का। एनीवे सर, माय आइडिया वाज टू शेयर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स। नाउ वी ऑल नो GDP growth is slowest in last 6 years. New private investments have hit a all 16 years low. Industrial growth rate shrank to 1.1%. In capital goods, minus 21%. Banks NPAs, all of us know almost like it has become a popular talk of the town, more than 8 lakh crore. Now, sir, after saying all this, why do I say this? As a result of these things, what my colleague Majid Sahab was referring to, the problem is when you find there is a problem, you acknowledge it. Even today, when I was listening to some of my friends from the treasury benches, I for a moment realized, why did we have the need to have short duration discussion if the economy is booming, if all is well? Cutting across political lines, if we do not accord the priority to some of the macroeconomic interventions and microeconomic interventions, we shall actually be contributor together, all of us, in making sure that the downturn is actually, it continues. Sir, just 1 minute, I will not take more than that. I have never insisted for more time, sir. It's your privilege, your prerogative if you give. Sir, investment rate as percentage of GDP are progressively less, so is actually so are the savings. So, NCRB data, which I wish to bring to your notice, ma'am, Finance Minister Sahib, through you, Vice Chairman Sir. NCRB admits more than close to 26,000 people, daily wage earners, are taking their lives. You know, not they are taking their lives. Why? Because they see an uncertain future. They have nothing to look for. They have no guarantee. Your press conferences are good. They are good for the corporate houses, not for those houses where the second meal is not secured. Do something for them. Many of my colleagues, I wonder, when we talk about economy, why we don't talk about economy through the lens of a poor person. We don't. I don't blame you. We have stopped talking about economy through the lens of common persons. So now a new data should be generated, because I think this government has sub-discom feature with the data. I am told that the other house, there is a SPG bill has come. We need SPG for data protection in this regime. First they deny, then they say who leaked it, where, I mean, more than leak and etc. It is important to acknowledge. So, finally, sir, Section 7 of RBI Act has been invoked almost on a regular basis. MOS is also smiling at me. I'm just putting the last argument, sir. And the last argument is in interest of the farmers, sir. मैं जब सुन रहा था ना, तो मुझे लगा कि किसान के पास 30 सेकंड, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसा किसान अपने खेत में गाना गा रहा है, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले, वो आत्महत्या कर रहा है सर। वही हाल असंगठित क्षेत्र में है। तो अगर आगे इकोनॉमी की चर्चा हो तो ये ना देखो कि जीडीपी ग्रोथ क्या है, सीधे पूछिए कितने लोगों ने आत्महत्याएं की, असंगठित क्षेत्र के कितने थे, किसान कितने थे। जब तक हम अपनी अर्थव्यवस्था को उस नजरिए से नहीं देखेंगे सर, तो फाइलें गुलाबी रहेंगी और जिंदगी को पीलिया हो जाएगा सर। शुक्रिया, जय हिंद।